Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. Right here on the screen is a free $50 no deposit bonus that I got this afternoon, and I'm going to be showing you in this video how you too can claim your own right here in this video without wasting too much of our time. But before I start, I would like to apologize to those of you who have not been able to get the no deposit bonuses and firm account have been dropping, and also people who are angry because I am dropping the competition account. I would like to apologize to you guys. I understand the reason why you're angry, and that is why I have worked really hard to bring you a free $50 no deposit bonus account. And I will also be explaining the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw from this particular platform. I'll be explaining it right here in this video. I won't keep it to the Telegram channel. I'll be explaining it here for all of you to see. So now the first thing you have to do in order for you to get this free $50 no deposit bonus account is for you to make sure that you've liked this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to turn on your notification button and subscribe. If you've modded this channel, go and turn on your notification button right now so that you won't miss out on the next no deposit bonus that is coming. And before we start too, as you can see right here on the screen, there are a lot of withdrawals proof right here on the screen. We thank God for last month. A lot of people were able to withdraw massively from our Telegram channel, as you can see right here, and from the no deposit bonuses that we've been dropping. So if you know that you don't want to miss out on big updates that will give you more money, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description of this video, and the link will also be made available for you in the comment section. Once you've clicked on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, and that is the same place where you'll be getting the link to get this free $50 no deposit bonus. So once you've clicked on the link and you've subscribed to my Telegram channel, thank you so much. You also see the link to be able to get this free $50 no deposit bonus. Once you click on the link, this is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen, this interface. Now there are 3 steps you have to go through in order for you to claim this free $50 no deposit bonus, and it's not something that you can actually go through on your own. And if you know that you are going to go through it on your own, I am definitely sure that you are definitely going to forfeit your chance of getting this free $50 no deposit bonus, because a lot of people, the reason why they have not been able to withdraw from this particular platform is because they are making a lot of mistake. Instead of them to enter a micro account, they are entering a no deposit bonus account, and that's not how to do it. I will show you exactly how you can change everything for yourself in this video. So the first thing you have to do is for you to enter your personal information, enter your first name, enter your middle name, enter your last name, enter your country of residence, enter your phone number, enter your email address, enter a very secure password so that they won't be able to snatch your account away from you. And also enter the means that you've gotten this account from. So enter YouTube, and after that just click on continue. Let me just do mine and I will get back to show you the next thing you have to do right here in this video. So once you are done with the first step, this is the next step you'll be taken to, which is for you to enter your personal and address information. So the first thing you have to do now, once you've gotten here, is for you to select your gender, select your date of birth, your month and your day, and after that enter your address line 1. The address line 2 is optional. Enter the name of your town, enter the name of your state, enter your postal zip code, and after that just click on continue. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So immediately you are done, you'll be taken to this third step. Now this third step is where most of you guys are making mistake, and the reason why you are stuck from withdrawing from this platform, and I'm going to be showing you the solution right here in this video. So the next thing you have to click on once you've gotten here is to select the wallet currency you'll be using to trade. Enter your account info. So I'll be going for USD, and I'm good at using MT5. The next thing you have to do is for you to enter USD again. Now this is where you have to pay attention. Mark every single thing right here below, and choose a micro account. Now, a lot of people are making a mistake of choosing the no deposit bonus account or Islamic or platinum or gold or silver. Don't choose any of that. Go for a micro account, and after that, click on submit. So immediately you click on submit, this is where you'll be taken to. Now you have to pay a full attention right here. Right here, you have to pay full attention right here, right? So you'll be using a particular platform, a particular app on this site, on this part of claiming your free $50 no deposit bonus, and you can get the platform right here on your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store or your Apple Store. So now I'm not going to be confusing you. I'm going to be showing you how to get it. Now I already have this platform right here on my screen, on my phone. I already have it. So for you to get it, just click on get it on Google Play Store. It is called Authenticator app. Now this is mine and I've already installed it. This is it right here on the screen. So what you're going to do is for you to open it. All right, open it. Now how to make use of it, go back to the platform after you've downloaded it. Once you've go back to the platform, just copy this code and follow me carefully. Copy this code and go back to the platform that you are just coming from. Click on this plus icon. Once you've clicked on it, click on enter a setup key. So immediately you click on it, enter plexi. I'm going to be entering my plexi like this. You can enter it any way you like so that it won't be confusing for you. Okay, so enter the key that you've copied the other time, paste it here, and make sure you select a time-based. So after that, click on add, and as you can see, if you scroll down, this is the code that has been sent to you. So copy the code by tapping it once and click on continue right here. Now enter the code right here. Enter the code. Now that we've forgotten the code, make sure you put the code on your head. 561449 561449. Now you have to be fast in entering the code because the code can expire anytime. As you can see, the code has been successfully entered. So this is where you'll be taken to. In order for you to validate your account, you have to go and check your email account because a code has been sent to your email and you need the email code. You need a code to be able to validate and activate your account. So now let me go to my email account. As you can see right here on the screen, this is the code right here on the screen. Let me widen it for you guys to see. So the next thing for you to do is for you to copy the code. Copy the code and come back here. Once you've gotten back here, sorry guys, hold on. So once you've gotten back here, just make sure that you paste the code right here. Now the code is not pastable at once, so let's put it on our head. 42953 42953. So once you are done, just click on confirm, and immediately you confirm, this is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen. Now this is where I am going to be explaining the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. All right, this is it. Now as you can see, I just click on competition right here. Now before you get this account, as you can see, the contestants for this account are only 192, and this gives you a lot of assurance that you can be able to get this account right here in this video. Okay, and the remaining days is 14 days, 7 hours, 10 minutes and 50 seconds, as you can see right here on the screen. So now you have to be quick in joining. As you can see, it is a July account. It is a July account, but before you get it, you have to verify your account. So let me show you how to verify your account right here in this video. So click on this storyline right here, click on this storyline and come to profile. Immediately you come to profile, as you can see, your account status is still pending. It is still pending. So once your account is done verifying, just click on this plus icon back. Make sure you verify your account. All right, make sure you verify it. So just click on this storyline, click on competition, and you'll be taken to somewhere like this. Now another person has joined, so let's be quick. So make sure you click on I agree with the terms and condition. But before we continue, let me explain the terms and condition for you guys to be able to see for yourself. So click on view rules. As you can see, the terms and condition number 1 is no AI robot use and lot size max of 0.10 per order. Max number of open order is 5. You can trade FX, you can trade metal, you can trade index fund trades, and the minimum 10 active trade days. So these are the terms and conditions. Let me screenshot it just in case you guys need it in the Telegram channel. So now that you've agreed with their terms, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on enter competition. So immediately you click on enter competition, this is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen. Now the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down, select the platform you want to use. So I'm going for MT5, and after you've selected it, just click on submit. So immediately you click on submit, as you can see your submission was successful. Now the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your competition. Now I want you to know that your account credentials has been sent to your email. So I'm going to be showing you right now how you can connect this your $50 no deposit bonus account to the MT5 trader app and start trading right here in this video. Pay attention and watch carefully. So as you can see right here on the screen, these are my login credentials for the trading platform MT5 trader app, and I'm going to be showing you how you can log in right here. Now this account is a trading competition account, but not like the rest of competition accounts that I have been dropping. Okay, so now to log in and start trading your $50 no deposit bonus account, the next thing for you to do right here is for you to go to your MT5 trader platform. For many of you who don't know what MT5 trader platform is, I think that is absolutely impossible. But go to your Play Store and download it. It is for trading, and watch video online on YouTube so that you can have more knowledge about it. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. So once you've gotten to this MT5 trader platform interface, click on this three arrow line up here, click on this and click on this plus icon. Immediately you click on this plus icon, go back to your email and copy the name of the server which has been sent together with your login credentials for the trading platform. So copy the name of the server, paste it here and search for it. So immediately you search for it, come back to this place and paste it right here. So this is it. Now go back again and copy your login. The reason why I am blocking it from you guys is because of security purpose. All right, now is the time that you can claim this account, because a lot of people are not on it right now. So come back and copy your password again. Copy your password, copy it carefully. All right, so hold on a bit, let's copy it again. Bear with me guys. So after you are done copying the password, the next thing for you to do is for you to go back to the platform. Go back to your MT5 trader app, paste it there, and immediately you paste it there, watch carefully. The next thing for you to do is for you to click on login. Now as you can see right here on the screen, I have received my free $50 no deposit bonus account, and now I'm going to start trading with it. So hold on, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. So let's say that the market is going to come down for a little while. Just click on sell. Immediately you click on sell, you can just sell multiple times. As you can see, this is it. Now just click on sell. Whether you want to buy, whether you want to sell, just come down and click on it, and it will start trading automatically. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you. Don't forget to like this video and share and subscribe. Bye.